Question 24 is 3 marks. It's Cambridge non-calculator paper. You can pause the video and try it yourself. So the question says, a circle has radius 7 centimeters, a square has side x centimeters. The circumference of the circle is the same length as the perimeter of the square. Find the value of x. Give your answer in terms of pi. That's a very nice question. Let me just zoom in. Now, what do you do here? We first need to find the circumference of the circle. Since the radius is 7, the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So it's going to be 2 times pi times 7. That gives you the circumference equal to 14 pi, because they said give your answer in terms of pi, because it's non-calculator. They don't want you to do all the working. Now let's just draw a square here. Let's assume this is the square. Now the sides of this square, the 4 sides, add up to 14 pi. 2 sides will add up to 7 pi, right? This side plus this side will be 7 pi. And this side plus this side will be 7 pi. And then 7 pi plus 7 pi will really make 14 pi. So, because it's non-calculator, I'm trying to do it the easiest way possible. So, if 2 sides add up to 7 pi, this plus this makes 7 pi. That means each side is half of 7 pi. Half of 7 is 3.5, right? So this is 3.5 pi, and this is 3.5 pi. That means the side of the square x is equal to 3.5 pi. And that's your 3 marks for this question. Was it easy?